Pollution is the presence or introduction of harmful or unwanted substances into the environment, which can have adverse effects on living organisms and the ecosystem. It is a pressing global issue that poses significant challenges to human health, wildlife, and the planet's overall well-being. Pollution can take various forms, with the primary types being air pollution. Air pollution occurs when the atmosphere is contaminated with harmful substances like particulate matter, chemicals, and gases. Common sources of air pollution include industrial emissions, vehicle exhaust, and natural events like wildfires. It can lead to respiratory problems, cardiovascular diseases, and environmental damage. Water pollution. Water pollution involves the contamination of freshwater bodies such as rivers, lakes, and oceans with pollutants like chemicals, sewage, heavy metals, and microorganisms. This type of pollution can harm aquatic life, affect drinking water quality, and disrupt ecosystems. Soil pollution. Soil pollution, also known as land pollution, results from the presence of hazardous substances like pesticides, heavy metals, and industrial waste in the soil. It can harm plants, reduce soil fertility, and lead to the contamination of food crops. Noise pollution. Noise pollution refers to excessive or disturbing levels of noise in the environment, often caused by transportation, industrial activities, and urban development. Prolonged exposure to high noise levels can lead to stress, hearing problems, and reduced overall quality of life. Light pollution. Light pollution arises from excessive or misdirected artificial light, which disrupts the natural darkness of the night sky. It affects astronomical observations, disrupts ecosystems, and can have adverse effects on human sleep patterns and circadian rhythms. Thermal pollution. Thermal pollution occurs when the temperature of a natural water body is altered significantly due to human activities, such as the discharge of heated water from industrial processes. It can harm aquatic ecosystems and impact aquatic organism survival. Radioactive pollution. Radioactive pollution results from the release of radioactive materials, either naturally occurring or from nuclear accidents and industrial processes. It poses severe health risks and can contaminate soil, water, and air. Addressing pollution is crucial to safeguarding the environment and public health. Strategies to combat pollution include implementing stricter regulations, promoting cleaner technologies, raising awareness, and encouraging responsible individual and industrial practices. By addressing the various types of pollution, we can work towards a healthier and more sustainable planet for current and future generations.